Do you know how to talk about your day in English? Let's practice with a real conversation. Meet Mark and Lisa. They live together, and it's evening. Mark just got home from work.
Hi, Lisa. I'm home.
Hi. How was your day?
It was busy but good. How about yours?
Pretty normal. I worked, then I went grocery shopping.
What did you buy at the store?
Just some vegetables, milk, and bread. Oh, and I made dinner already.
Really? What are we having?
Pasta. It's almost ready.
Great, I'm starving.
Me too. Can you set the table?
Sure, no problem.
So, what happened at work today?
We had a big meeting. My boss wants us to finish the project by Friday.
That sounds stressful.
A little, but I think we can do it.
What are your plans for tomorrow?
I have to wake up early. I have a meeting at 9.
Okay. Do you want some coffee before bed?
No thanks. I'm going to sleep soon.
All right. Good night, sleep well.
You too. See you in the morning.
Let's review the key phrases from today. Try using one of these phrases today at home or with a friend. Which phrase do you use most often? Tell me in the comments.